I'm the realtor Eric Corder with Mid-Ohio Valley Anchor Realty. My new listing at 909 Maple Street has that new house smell. Why? Because almost everything here is new. This place is amazing. Just over 1,600 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and almost everything is brand new. This house is only 2 blocks from the city park, which might make this perfect for your next home.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world, what's in a life you never could offer. Even if you've never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Never learn to rise above these crowds, stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you've never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.